Hello guys, Jail here. In this video, I'm going to show you 1Password family right here. So in this video, basically, we're going to show you the 1Password family here. So here you will have to purchase the families. So there's another video regarding this. You can check it out in the channel. So here it costs $4.99 or $5 per month to get the family's plan. So you'll have 5 users of 1Password and you'll have admin experience and friendly expert support. So let's head on to our 1Password. All you have to do is purchase this and then you will have to distribute those 5 accounts basically. So here you will have your passwords right here and then you will have your new items right here. So you can add passwords like database, medical records, passports, SSH key, logins, and many much more. So here, basically, this is where you will manage your passwords from 1Password right here. So there you go, guys. This is just a simple tutorial on what family in the 1Passwords is. So you'll basically just have 5 people using this in one payment. And if this video was useful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.